Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on Ford Edge, but what we'll be doing here actually will apply to Lincoln MKX and Ford Edge first generation, guys. We will show you how to remove and install exterior door handle. The door handle, the plastic door handle that opens and closes the door. We'll demonstrate on the rear left side. Rear side will be the same way. Stay with us and we'll cover everything from start to finish, guys. Quick introduction. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy a replacement door handle, car parts, tools, we have all those links listed in the description of the video below, so you can see where you can get the parts and tools from. This is, guys, a 2009 Ford Edge that we will work on. Now, the door handle I'm talking about, okay, it's this door handle right here. Okay, not the whole mechanism, but the outside handle only. If you want to see the whole mechanism, we have the video on the channel. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So now, guys, we'll demonstrate on the rear left side. Rear right will be the same way. For removing the door handle, you don't need to remove the door panel, okay, but for installing the door handle, you will need to remove the door panel. And if you want to see the video, it's on the channel, guys. It explains how to remove that rear door panel. It's actually inside the car, and we'll show you guys how to remove the handle. Now, open the door, guys. Right here you have one cap. Go ahead, remove it, and under that cap, guys, okay, you have a Torx 20 star looking bit. Okay, Torx 20, it's all the way in, quite in, guys. Okay, let me see if I can see it from, no, down a little bit. Right there. Now, give me a second now. Okay, right there, that's in. You're going to start unscrewing a little bit, not all the way. Okay, until that piece comes out, guys. A little bit more. A little, okay, it comes out. Okay, perfect. Now, removing the handle, guys, super simple. Okay, all we have to do now, go ahead, slide it back, pull out. Okay, and it comes out. But now how you guys install it? If you try to install it, it's not gonna work out, guys. Okay, you're going to get it in, it doesn't work. Okay, why? Simply because there is one device, guys, okay, that gets stuck here. How you guys install it now? Okay, let us show you. I'm going to just barely get it in. Now, when you remove the door panel, you have one tape right here, guys. Go ahead, okay, get it loose. Perfect. And here, guys, okay, you're going to get a long screwdriver, and there is one mechanism that you need to push down. Okay, let's get a little bit of light. Okay, let me see if I can actually get a little bit of light from here so we can see a little bit, okay, a little bit better. But the mechanism, guys, okay, almost there, is one thing that we need to bring down. So we'll need to get something a little, okay, yep, like that, you can see. Let me just grab a light to show you guys. Alright, guys, check it out now. Okay, that thing moving inside, okay, you need to bring it down some. Okay, and when you bring it down, what you're going to do now, okay, you're going to install the door handle. Okay, slide it, then let's release it. Okay, and the door handle is working, guys. All we have to do is install the cap and get it tight. So this is it, guys. Okay, we wanted to show you everything so you know what to expect. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.